Hello everybody, this is Juan from Novecel. Today I want to present you guys another freezer of our company, Q7 Pro. So this one actually I call this a combination of Q7 and a Q8. As you guys know, we have Q7, we have Q8. Q8, it's very stable and has a bigger working area, but it's kind of expensive and very heavy. And Q7, it has smaller working area and cheaper, but and also lighter. But it was the construction, because of the space, the construction is not as good as the Q8. So that's why I made a decision. I want to combine those two machines. So I made this one Q7 Pro. The working area it looks like Q8, but the working area is smaller than Q8. The Q8 is 45 by 35. This one is like 35 by 25, like 16 inches. You can put six S7 or S8 inside of this chamber, the working area. And the size is similar, also same as the Q8. That's why the construction is better. Construction is very good. So now let's take very close look at this machine. So firstly, let's take around. You don't have to. I just move this machine to let you guys see clearly. So this is this side 1, 2, 3. We're gonna make this side. Oh, just see this side, the back. So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm gonna one more thing I have to explain to you guys, because we have video, because we made a lot of videos. We teach you guys, we use a device to test the machine, that you guys see the working voltage, the working voltage, and then the working ampere. So for this one is 220 and 50 hertz. So we suggest you guys to have a switch which is like more than 60 ampere. So the switch for this machine 60. So for 226 hertz as well, the switch at least the 60 ampere. But for it's okay. And also, but for the 110, for 110 6 hertz, I suggest you guys have the switch for 90 ampere, because this machine has compressor. That's why the initial ampere is very high, like 3 times. The working ampere is like 13 or 15 ampere, if I remember well, because we have those videos. If you want, you can ask our vendors, our salesman to send you those videos. So just you can show this video to your technician, electrician, so they can help you to choose the right cable or the switch for the for your lab. But we search, because the beginning initial ampere is like 3 times than the working ampere. So that's why I suggest 60 for 110 90. So for the switch. For the cable, actually I have the cable here. This cable says, I don't know, just come closer. Yeah, now you can move the come closer. Let them see that this is the parameters on the cable. So this is 3 by 2.5 millimeter square millimeter, 500 V. So this is like 500 V. This is all the other 20 meters. So this is all the parameters for this cable. So, and also those numbers, if the electrician, when they see all those numbers and the videos that we made with the devices to test all the machine, because of the Q7 and Q7 Pro, the compressor actually is the same, but we just modified the inside the construction, made it more, make it better, and also the The one I'm gonna switch on the machine. Then I'm gonna explain to you guys, because we switch on the machine and we have to wait for 2 minutes. So it's like a protection system. So I'm gonna switch on the machine. We have 3 languages. We have Chinese, English, and Spanish. So we're gonna use English. And here is I'm gonna let you guys see a little bit. So this is the data, the temperature. I'm sorry, this is the some English, but in the future, if you send this picture to us, we know what is happening with this machine. So this is the temperature for the exhaust. So this is temperature for the room temperature. So we return. So this is the timing. Actually, you can set time. This is the 3 minutes. I'm gonna say for 2. This is time sighting for 2 minutes. Alarm. Actually, countdown means as soon as you close, you can. This is like when you close the lid, the hood. You can set it for 3 minutes. So when this 3 minutes, when the time is off, so the alarm, the countdown alarm will on. So we'll give you the notice. Means this is for the alarm reset return. So this is the alarm time function alarm review. So this is means the all the, it's like a record. It's a record for the machine. So the working condition, everything for this machine. So it means stop running, waiting for start. So this is the alarm. This is user I guess call this user setting. If you want to set the temperature, here is the password is 888 4 times 8. Booting time, user parameter. This is the temperature set the difference. Normally we don't use this part. Just we use this restore. If you want to go back to the factory setting, so just use this one. If you don't need it, just to go back. Normally we don't use this part. We don't use part. I don't know the code for this one. Probably this is. Oh, sorry. Just give me. I was kind of shocked. It scared me. That's it. This is for the temperature. We're gonna set it for 165, 185. Gonna set for 195. Gonna set for 185. That's it. So the password is 4 times 8, 888. Now the temperature in China. No, the temperature here is the 25 degrees. One thing important for this machine. The best temperature, the working temperature for this machine is less than 25 degrees. Because sometimes the temperature in some countries, they have like 35, 38. So the machine will never work correctly. They're gonna give you problem. It's gonna work sometime the machine, because we have like protection system. The system will stop the machine, will cut off the power. So the best temperature, we suggest you to have a powerful air conditioner for this machine. If you work in this business, if you want to have this machine, if you want to work on edge for all the screens that you want to work, we suggest you guys to have a very powerful air conditioner for this machine. Make sure the temperature is less than 25. Then the machine will work perfectly. I think this part we have already explained to you guys. Let's go inside of this machine. Oh, sorry. As we explained to you guys, very organized, everything organized, wrapped, organized. This here, we never lied to you guys. This is the Schneider Electric. We have a bigger fuse now. So this is the Miwa from Taiwan, the power supply. And yeah, that's it inside of this machine. But now, because this one is the sample that we made, but now we have here is like more organized. We have a little bit modification here in this part, but the parts, the international brand, also the compressor, we never change. The compressor is T-Coms are made in France. But we have some compressor which is made in France, and some of them is made in India, but this from Tecumseh, So I cannot promise you guys, all of you guys will receive the one from which is from France. But we have like a half of them from France, we have half of them from India. But it's the same standard, same brand. So I hope you guys will like it. So now, the temperature is getting up, it's minus 180 now. Let's check here. I'm gonna measure. So this is 35 by 25. 35 by 25. This is the size of this, the working area. I'm gonna see if I have some screens here. So I just want you guys to say how many pieces we can put inside of this machine. Check. 6 pieces. 6 pieces. So can we see this? Perfectly. So I just wanna take some pictures. I will also take some pictures. One picture. Done. Okay, that's it. Okay, everybody. If you guys have, because we're gonna make more videos, use this one to separate the screens, and also we're gonna do more videos with this machine. So if you guys want to see more videos, you can check our YouTube channel, or you can contact any of our vendors, our salesmen, so they can send you the link. This machine, let's take a very one more close look at all the materials. Stainless steel here, also stainless steel, and here you have the cylinder, which is very comfortable to work. This is very comfortable, very strong. This machine with packing is 130 kilo, and the compressor is powerful. The parts is the best from the best supplier in the world. So don't compare my machine with those machines, which is like less than, with packing is less than 100 kilo. Some of the machine with packing is less than 100 kilo. If you compare their price with my price, so you're gonna be scared. But if you want to have less problem, so I recommend you this one. Spend more money, because for electrical machine, if you buy the cheap one, you're gonna have a lot of problems in the future. It doesn't work for the screen. We're gonna have a problem with compressor, and you have also sometimes you have problem with the post or after sales service, because they always ask you to return to China. But if you work with us, you have international warranty. If you don't want international warranty, it's gonna be cheaper. Means if anything happens, you have to return to China. If you have international warranty, so we're gonna have all the details. We can send it to you, but we're gonna give you support internationally, and in some cases because one of my customer from Korea, he took advantage of this warranty policy. He took advantage. That's why in the future we're gonna write everything to you guys, but you still have the international warranty, but there are some tips that we have to follow. But believe me, we're gonna be responsible for whatever we sell, but there is some tips and some policies we have to follow. So make sure we don't have any misunderstanding, and we can help each other. We build up our business, and we help each other. And thanks for watching this video. And if you want to know about the international warranty and the Chinese warranty, you want to know the difference is $300. If you don't want the international warranty, the price will be $300 less. Just talk to our salesman. You will have all the details, and I'm guaranteed you're gonna have all the details, and we have everything written. So thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. We're gonna have more videos for you guys, and don't forget the notification bell. So as soon as we have the new videos, you can receive the notification, you can follow us, you can have all the informations, because me and also my company, we're trying our best to give you guys all the support on this IOCD repair, and we also want to go for the motherboard repair, but also the other things related to cell phone. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.